Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve an exponential function equation using the same base method and laws of exponents. The given equation is 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 2 to the power x minus 3 plus 48. We have to find the value of the variable in this equation, which is x. The variable x is in two terms in this equation. One of the terms is on the left side of the equation. The other term is on the right side of the equation. The first step is to gather these two x terms on one side of the equation. We can move 2 to the power x minus 3 to the left side of the equation. As a result, it will become a negative term. So we get 2 to the power x minus 1 minus 2 to the power x minus 3 equals 48. Next, we should use division law of exponents or quotient law of exponents to break up the terms 2 to the power x minus 1 and 2 to the power x minus 3. The division or quotient law of exponents is a to the power m over a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. We keep the base the same and we subtract the exponents. In this equation, we'll have to apply this law the other way. We have to break up 2 to the power x minus 1 as 2 to the power x over 2 to the power 1. And for the other term, we can write 2 to the power x over 2 to the power 3 equals 48. The reason we do this step is because we want to isolate x in this equation. So in this step, we got rid of the negative 1 and negative 3. That's with the x's in the exponents. Next, we can evaluate the terms in the denominator. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Next, we can do common factoring. On the left side, we can factor out 2 to the power x from both terms because we want to isolate x. We are left with 1 over 2 minus 1 over 8 in the parentheses. Next, we can subtract these fractions by finding a common denominator. The common denominator is 8, so we should multiply the fraction 1 over 2 by 4 in the numerator and denominator. So we get 4 over 8 minus 1 over 8 equals 48. Now we can subtract the fractions. We should subtract the numerator numbers. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, we can cross multiply the denominator of the fraction to the right side of the equation. Eight times 48. I get 384. Next, we can divide both sides by 3. 384 divided by 3 is equal to 128. In this step, the base of x term is 2. We can solve this equation using the same base method. In this step, the base of x term is 2. We can solve this equation using the same base method. 128 is equal to 2 to the power 7. So we can change 128 to 2 to the power 7. Now we have the same base on both sides. We can cancel out the bases and we are left with x equals 7. This is the solution for this equation. We can check the solution by subbing in x as 7 in the given equation, and then we should check if the left side of the equation becomes equal to the right side. So we replace x with 7 in the given equation. Seven minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 16 plus 48 is equal to 64. So the left side is equal to the right side. Therefore, x equals 7 is a valid solution. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this exponential function equation. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.